Hi, my name is Samantha and welcome to today's video. Today's video is all about coasters. Let's get into it. Today I'm going to show you how I like to package up my coaster sets. I do them in packs of 4. I'm not showing you how to make them today. I've done tons of tutorials. I'll have those linked down below. What I like to do is have my 4 coasters, whether that be 4 matching set or 4 miscellaneous, and I like to package them with baker's twine. Let me show you how I do it. So what I do is the same concept as wrapping a present. I take the baker's twine, lay the coasters down flat, spread the baker's twine past the coasters, wrap it around, hold it upwards, wrap it around again, and then pull it underneath that last one and tie. And that is how I package them. Let me do it one more time for you. So I go past the coaster, wrap around the bottom, twist, wrap around one more time, and then the way that this is loose right here, I take this other end, wrap it down, around, and through, and then I put a little tie. You can leave extra string to do a little bow right here, or you can cut it short. It's up to you. The great thing about doing it this way is that they are going to stay together, but at the same time, you can look at all 4 of them if there are 4 different patterns and you can see what's in the pack. And if someone is super adamant that they want a different matching pack, then I don't feel guilty about cutting them apart. Something else you could do is definitely use the barb gun and go through them with the plastic. But I like the way this looks. I think it's really cute. So let me go ahead and do the rest of these, and we're going to speed it up. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 sets here. So I wonder if I could do this in, I don't know, 10 minutes. Let's go. Just under 5 minutes to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 sets put together. And with that, folks, that is how I package my coasters. Let me know if you do it this way or if you have an alternative way to package coasters, and any tips, tricks, or suggestions you might have, leave them in the comments down below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.